Greetings. Welcome back again to Educational TV News Channel. Indonesia Boeing 737 passenger plane crash site found, Navy says. Indonesian authorities say they have found the location where they believe a Boeing 737 passenger plane crashed into the sea shortly after takeoff from the country's capital, Jakarta, on Saturday. The air jet was carrying 62 people when it disappeared from radar 4 minutes into its journey from Pontianak in West Kalimantan province. On Sunday, signal thought to be from the jet's flight recorder were traced. More than 10 ships have now been deployed to the site with the Navy divers. We have detected signals in 2 points. This could be the black box, the chief of Indonesian Search and Rescue Agency, Bagus Purutio, said. Investigators are also analyzing items they believe to be wreckage from the aircraft, including a wheel and what they say could be part of the plane. A spokesman for the Jakarta Police, Yusuri Yunis, said 2 bags had been received from the Search and Rescue Agency. The first bag containing passengers' properties, another bag containing parts. He told reporters, adding, "We are still identifying these findings." Search and rescue efforts were suspended overnight but resumed early on Sunday. 4 planes have also been deployed to help with the search. The missing aircraft is not a 737 MAX, the Boeing model that was grounded from March 2019 until last December following 2 deadly crashes. So there you have it, people. The Indonesia aircraft that went off radar is now found in the sea, and search and rescue team with 4 ships is now on site. So please leave your comment down below and tell me what you think. One aim, one God, one destiny. Walk good, talk good, live good. Blessings.